everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Sublimation Raccoon. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to start your own sublimation mug business and what it costs. Please keep in mind that prices may vary and I will be using Canadian currency in this video. Let's start with the printer items. I have the Epson ET2800, which I bought for $250. It has an ink tank, also known as a continuous ink system. This printer is compatible with sublimation ink, and it's important to ensure that the printer you choose is as well. Next is the paper. I like to use the A-sub letter size. This paper is strictly for sublimation, and this specific type is a little thicker, which helps prevent the ink from bleeding through. I got this box of 110 sheets for $35. I can normally fit 3 mug designs here, so it lasts longer than you think. For the ink, I needed something compatible with my printer, so I bought the Hippo sublimation ink. I got this pack of 4 for $30 at 100 milliliters each. A paper cutter is one of those things that you can get by without, but I find it makes my job a lot easier and keeps the edges much neater, which is helpful when lining the design up on the mug and keeping it even. I got this one for $25 and it's worth the price. A must-have is the heat-resistant tape. This is what keeps everything in place and makes it possible for your design to come out looking good. You can buy a pack of 10 rolls for $22. Heat-resistant gloves are very important. The machine gets incredibly hot, so you will need these to be able to handle your mugs. You can buy a pair with grips from Amazon with prices ranging from $12 to $15. These Teflon sheets are very useful. I bought a pack of 2 large sheets for $20 and I just cut them to size for my mugs. These are great at distributing the heat and preventing the ink from bleeding onto the machine. Next up is the silicone cup cradle. It's useful but not a necessity. I like to use this to hold my design in place while taping it. You can buy one of these for $14 off Amazon. When purchasing mugs, please make sure that they say that they are sublimation mugs. They have many different types and sizes to choose from, but to start, I recommend getting the plain white mugs. You can buy a pack of 12 off of Amazon for $50. You may choose to purchase gift boxes to go with your mugs. Some mugs come with boxes, and some don't, so check the description carefully before purchasing. You can buy a pack of 50 for $32 from Amazon. I have the ColorSub Sublimation mug press. I bought this one for $80 and I love it. I'll leave links to my previous video showing how to make a mug with the mug press and how to change the settings to help you get started. A nice option when first starting is purchasing a starter kit. I bought mine off of Amazon for $26 and it includes the gloves, cup cradle, and tape, as well as some other items. The total cost to start a sublimation mug business can range from $516 if you purchase the starter kit and get the boxes included with the mugs, to $573 if you buy the items separately. Remember, these are Canadian prices and may vary based on your location and where you purchase from. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.